Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by stopping flow and relieving pressure. This prevents water spray and makes the joint safe to work on. Once the line is drained, clear paint and debris from the thread run to expose metal or PVC. Then apply a penetrating oil or PVC-safe lubricant to the threaded engagement and let it sit for 10-15 minutes. This softens crust and dissolved adhesives. While you wait, position a backup wrench or clamp to hold the mating fitting stable, so the pipe can be turned without stressing the system. You now attack the joint. Place a wrench on the fixed fitting and a second wrench on the pipe. Turn the pipe counterclockwise while the fitting is held steady. If it resists, tap the fitting face and thread area with a rubber mallet to break brittle bonds. This transmits vibration into the joint. Once movement begins, increase steady turning rather than forceful jerks. If threads are solvent-fused, you can apply gentle heat with a heat gun to soften the plastic. Make sure to protect nearby components and avoid overheating. You finish by cleaning the exposed threads with a wire brush and suitable solvent so new sealant adheres. Inspect threads for cracking or corrosion and replace parts if needed. Then apply thread sealant or PTFE tape and reassemble with proper torque. Make sure not to over-tighten. If the pipe is seized beyond safe removal, cut the pipe back and remove the segment, then install a coupling or union to restore continuity. If you still can't free it, the key troubleshooting tip: cut out and replace the stuck section rather.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.